In this video, I'll show you how to set up PayPal payments on Shopify. First, open your Shopify admin dashboard. From here, go to Settings, then click on Payments. This section shows you all the different payment options available in Shopify, including payment providers, supported payment methods, and manual payment methods. To add PayPal, first check under the Supported Payment Methods section. In some regions, you might see PayPal available directly here. If you don't, try searching for it, since availability can depend on your region or language settings. If it's not listed there, you can add it through a third-party payment provider. Just click on that option, search for PayPal, and Shopify will show you providers that support PayPal integration. If you already know the provider by name, type it in the search bar and you'll see if Shopify supports it. If you still can't find it, you can set it up as a manual custom payment method. To do this, click Create Custom Payment Method, enter the payment method name, for example, PayPal, and fill out the payment instructions. After entering the details, click Activate, and PayPal will be added as a payment option for your customers. In most cases, though, it's easier to use a payment provider like Stripe or others that already support PayPal. You just connect that provider to Shopify, and it allows you to accept PayPal payments seamlessly. Keep in mind, the exact steps and availability depend on your region, but if PayPal is supported in your country, you'll likely see it directly under Payments, and that's how you set up PayPal payments on Shopify. If you want to try Shopify, check the link in the description below to register. You'll get 3 months for just $1. Thanks for watching.